Maharashtra main crops. Maximum land in Maharashtra is used for food grain crops, followed by cash crops. Rice, bajra, jawar, wheat are the main food grain crops. Sugarcane and cotton are the main cash crops. Now we are going to have a detailed peek into each of these crops. Food crops. Jawar. This is one of the main food grains in Maharashtra. In the sowing period, jawar requires high temperature and moderate rainfall. Deep soils are best because these soils retain moisture from the subsoil. In growing period, jawar is an important crop for the farmers because the food grains and fodder for animals are obtained from this crop. Solapur district is leading in the production of jawar in Maharashtra. It is followed by Ahmednagar, Beed, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Pune and Nanded districts, etc. Irrigated areas in Maharashtra are increasing, which affects the areas of jawar production. The land formerly used for jawar is now being used for commercial crops. Wheat. Wheat is cultivated only as a rabi crop in winter season. It is sown in the month of October and November and harvested in the month of February and March. In the sowing period, cool climate and moderate rainfall is required. Deep soils are good for this crop as it retains moisture. If the amount of rainfall is insufficient, irrigation is used. Dhule and Jalgaon districts from Tapi Basin are the main producers of wheat. In the Purna River Basin, wheat is cultivated in Buldhana districts, Washim, Amravati, etc. Wheat is also cultivated in the fertile plains of Bhima and Krishna Basin. Rice. Rice is a main crop of Kharif season. It is cultivated particularly in high temperature and high rainfall zones. Loamy, sandy and laterite soils are the best for rice cultivation. In the areas where amount of rainfall is high, transplantation method is used for rice cultivation. Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg districts of Konkan are the main producers of rice. In these areas, rainwater is sufficient for the crop. In Chandrapur, Bhandara, Nagpur, Gadchiroli, Gondia, tank water is used for the crop. On the eastern slopes of Sahyadri ranges, rice is cultivated in Nasik, Pune, Satara, Kolhapur and Sangli districts. Government of Maharashtra has started rice research institutes at Karjat, Khopoli and Ratnagiri. Bajra. Bajra is mainly Kharif crop and is cultivated in low rainfall regions. High temperature and light soils are required for the crop. It can be grown with the help of irrigation when crop requires water. In Maharashtra, area under this crop is decreasing. Dhule, Jalgaon, Ahmednagar, Nasik, Pune and Satara are the main bajra producing districts of Maharashtra. Now that we have got a good idea of the food grain crops, let us move on to the cash crops. Cash crops. These crops are cultivated only for commercial purpose. Produce from these crops is sold in the market and farmers get cash from these crops. Sugarcane, cotton, tobacco are cash crops. Fruits, vegetables, however, also help increasing the income of the farmers. Let us get to know more about these cash crops. Cotton. This crop is cultivated in regions of high temperature and moderate rainfall. Black cotton soil or Rega soil is most suitable for the crop. In growing period, moist weather is suitable, but in the harvest period, where the cotton balls burst open, high temperature and dry frost-free weather is required. Cotton crop requires organic manure and chemical fertilizers because this crop absorbs high amounts of nutrient matter from the soil and subsoil. Plucking of cotton requires large labor force. Yavatmal, Amravati, Akola, Vashim, Buldhana, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nanded are prime cotton providing districts. Maharashtra produces mainly short staple cotton. Punjab Rao Agriculture University of Akola is conducting research on cotton. It has been successful in developing seeds for BT cotton and Cash 468. Sugarcane. This is a tropical crop, and the climate of Maharashtra is most suitable for its cultivation. Sugarcane requires high temperature and high rainfall. In areas of low rainfall, this crop is cultivated with the help of irrigation. Black cotton soil or alluvial soil is the best for this sugarcane. Sugarcane requires a large amount of water. That is why water-holding deep soil is required. This crop absorbs nutrient matter from the soil as compost manure and chemical fertilizers are used. Use of chemical fertilizers is very high to obtain the yield of sugarcane, but due to excessive usage of fertilizers, year after year, yield is decreasing, which results in soils becoming infertile and formation of fallow lands. In Maharashtra, 3% of the cultivated area is under sugarcane, but these areas play an important role in the economic development of Maharashtra. Kolhapur, Ahmednagar, Satara, Solapur and Pune are the major sugarcane producing districts of Maharashtra. From the environmental point of view, use of excessive irrigation and fertilizers leads to degradation of soil. It is thus necessary to find a solution to this problem. Now, let us turn our attention to a few fruits that give good profits for the farmers. Fruits. The climate of Maharashtra is suitable for the cultivation of fruits. Oranges, sweet lime, bananas, grapes, chikus, pomegranates, coconuts, and areca nuts grow well in Maharashtra. Mango. This yummy fruit requires the rainy season for few months as well as hot and dry weather. Mango orchards are found in Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Raigad and Thane districts. Ratnagiri's Devgarh Alfonso variety of mango is delicious. Though mango trees are found in all districts of Maharashtra, mangoes are grown commercially mainly in Konkan. The Konkan Agricultural University in Dapoli is conducting research on mangoes. Maharashtra leads in mango export of India. Grapes. Grapes require hot and dry climate and well-drained soil. Sufficient water supply, cutting of vineyards, pest control and intensive care is required. Nasik, Sangli, Satara, Pune, Latur, Kolhapur and Aurangabad districts are famous for commercial grape production. Generally, grapes require less rainfall. With the introduction of irrigation supply in drought-prone regions, the area under grape cultivation is increasing. Maharashtra is leading in seedless grapes. Mahagrape organization is set up to secure the profits of farmers, which is also a boon to increase the exports of grapes. Urili Kanchan Grape Research Institute near Pune provides guidance to grape producers. Bananas. This crop requires high temperature and humidity throughout the year. Water-holding soil is suitable for bananas. In Maharashtra, banana orchards cover 50,000 hectares of land. Vasai, Jalgaon and Bhusawal are well known in banana production. In Dhule, Nandurbar, Pune, Satara, Sangli and Kolhapur districts area, under this crop is increasing. Oranges. These fruits grow in high temperature and low rainfall regions. Deep and fertile soils are the best for oranges. The period from blossom to ripening is long. Mrug blossom and Hasta blossom are the two seasons of this fruit. Intensive care of this fruit is needed. Bad weather like fog and hail showers can cause major loss of this crop. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Amravati, Wardha, Akola, Yavatmal and Vashim are the orange producing districts. Our government's initiatives. The government of Maharashtra has launched a special program to develop horticulture in drought-prone zones. Government supplies saplings free of cost. Subsidies are sanctioned to the farmers to maintain trees. These plants help in protecting the environment and saving water besides providing us with fruits. That is why it is essential to expand this program in Maharashtra.